Hey, tree surgeon, gotta be handy with that piece.
www.atreesurgeon.com, San Diego's finest expert tree service, specializing in tree removals, tree trimming, stump grinding and stump removal, excavating and hauling and grading. What I have to show here today is a really awesome piece of equipment. This is usually what you get when you hire us. State-of-the-art bucket truck, along with a massive chipper that can eat 15-inch logs within seconds. So let me give you a quick walk around. Check out all the YouTube videos and subscribe. We are going to be doing some prize giveaways here. This is the main number to call, 619-381-0763. Ask for Daniel. Just a really awesome truck. And now I get to show you our new piece of equipment, which is phenomenal. This thing is just a tank, man. It is a Vermeer BC 1500. And this thing is just a monster. I mean, the thing is ginormous. The tires look like they belong on a tank. Let me show you the inside feed here real quick. This is the new deal. This thing's brand new. We've had it for about a year actually. It has all the safety features, so you know that all the crews are safe. But wow, look at that. Dual roller feeders. This thing will just grab some brush and just eat it up nice and smooth. So yeah, be sure to watch all the tree videos, and we're going to be having a lot more special videos coming up here soon. So please subscribe and like and comment. But here it is, our international bucket truck, forest truck. So I appreciate you watching the video. Thanks a lot and have a great day.
para apretarle es mejor apagar el agua porque ahorita si le aprietas con el agua encendida va a liquear más. Si está tirando poquito agua se le puede quitar solo. Si es una media humedad se le puede quitar solo. Pero si está dripping, no va a quitar. No, entonces esto se quita solo.
Vista Point and Julian overlooking Borrego Springs Desert. Just magnificent views from up here. There's actually a fire plane right there. There's a fire that just started. Hopefully we get out of there. But there's the little town of Julian right down there in the valley where we just came from. Anyhow, I just wanted to stop off and show this little clip because I camped out here when I was a little kid up on the ridge over there, and I just remember these magnificent views, and it sure is beautiful. Alright, we better get back to camp, figure out what's going on with this fire.